Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how you can set up your new Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, firstly select your language, then tap OK at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap Start to open the next menu. Here you have to read license agreement and select agree to all and tap agree. Here you'll see three options. You have to click on third one, set up manually. In the next page you can connect your phone to Wi-Fi if you want, but I'm going to skip that. Here make sure that your date and time zone are correct and then tap on next. Tap more under the location. In this page you can set your face, fingerprint, pin, password and pattern to protect your phone. But now I'm going to set the pin in my phone. Here you have to enter at least 6 digits pin. Tap continue, then select use anyway. After that, enter the pin again to confirm it. Now tap agree at the bottom right corner. Here choose your display mode and tap next. You are all set up, tap finish. Thanks for watching this video.